Greetings. Today's topic is a chain is as strong as its weakest link, or to use a Jamaican patois, anyway it maga, a deso it a go pop off. Same difference. The seismic shifts in its finances that Jamaica needs will come from tackling the 750,000 people who are currently out of work and not seeking employment. This is a quarter of the population of Jamaica and 40% of the country's working age citizens. According to some studies, there are almost 900,000 Jamaicans who are out of work for one reason or another. The overwhelming majority of this number are not seeking employment. To understand why this number of Jamaicans who are out of work and not seeking employment, government may need to visit rural Jamaica to see what is happening in the heart of the country. The government needs to set up economic zones around Jamaica and not just rely on Kingston and Montego Bay for economic growth. The two sectors that every Jamaican understands are tourism and agriculture. The government needs to use the above two sectors to grow the Jamaican economy by 10% per annum for the next 10 years and beyond, employing an extra 100,000 Jamaicans each year for the next 10 years in the tourism and our cultural industries. Most of the 100,000 new employees each year should come from people who had given up on employment because they had no qualifications, etc. These people will now find jobs in the formal economy through tourism and agriculture. Bringing in people from the informal casual jobs that they were surviving on into the formal economy, that is repairing Jamaica's weakest economic link. That is where the Jamaican economy was maga and in a danger of popping off. For more information on this issue, subscribe to my channel and see the topic Jamaica 1000% added value to ground produce and 300,000 new employees. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you. God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.